There's a secret buried deep in the shadows of angel investing, and it's not something that's talked about openly. It's that gnawing feeling you get every time you sign on the dotted line for a deal, hoping this time you've cracked the code, only to watch promising startups crumble or fade into nothingness. That restless doubt. Was this really the right call? Could you have seen something others missed? The sleepless nights staring at numbers that refuse to add up, wondering if all your instincts, your experience, your gut were wrong. Or worse, if you're missing something fundamental that every other successful angel has already figured out, but isn't telling you. Most investors think the game is about finding the next big thing, about scouting the perfect pitch or the sharpest entrepreneur. But what if that's exactly the trap? What if the single thing every angel investor hides, what they dare not say aloud, is that they're terrified of a different truth? The truth that winning doesn't come from scratching the surface, hunting for unicorns, or playing it safe with shiny pitch decks. The real battle isn't in scouting startups. It's inside your own mindset and how you choose to play the whole damn game. You see, too many angels are stuck, trapped in endless cycles of chasing what looks promising on paper, blinded by glossy presentations and rhetoric, missing the raw, ugly core of what actually makes or breaks an investment. They hide this fear because admitting it feels like admitting failure, like giving up that illusion of control and mastery that this high-stakes world demands. The truth is brutal. The single most important secret that could transform everything isn't hiding in another pitch deck or startup strategy. It's in abandoning the safety nets you desperately cling to and embracing the discomfort of radical uncertainty. It's the terror that the smartest deal you make might not look smart for years, or ever in ways you expect. It's the habit of diving into chaos and confusion and refusing to retreat when others do. Because you understand that the future you seek is only forged in that mess, not in polished PowerPoints or sanitized due diligence. This means shaking off the dangerous habit of conformity, the trick the system plays on you, whispering that success follows a formula, that you must fit the mold to belong. But true power, the kind that changes not just your portfolio but the world, lies in rejecting the easy plays and betting on the outsiders, the weird, the misunderstood. The ones who seem reckless or even crazy today, but are quietly rewriting the rules of tomorrow. This is not comforting. It's a relentless, nerve-wracking journey. You will wrestle with doubt every single day. No one ever tells you the price of this freedom. It's raw, it's lonely, and often it feels like you are standing against the tide. But that is the secret that every angel investor who's ever truly made a difference secretly lives by. They are comfortable with being uncomfortable. They don't hide from the risk of losing everything, because they understand that losing is just one piece of the puzzle, a painful but necessary step toward breaking free of the ordinary. They embrace the chaos because they know that progress never comes from the center, never from the well-trodden path. It emerges from the edges, from those who refuse to accept what is handed down as truth. They unlearn everything, constantly question their own assumptions, and dare to redefine what's possible. Imagine what would happen if you stopped shopping for safety and started building resilience instead. Imagine what it would be like to see each failure, not as a dead end, but as a fierce signal guiding you closer to what really works. This is the mindset you have to cultivate. That ability to live with uncertainty so deeply that you no longer see risk as a foe, but as a vital sign that you are alive, that you are pushing boundaries no one else dares to cross. The biggest mistake angels make is dissolving into the crowd, chasing deals that everyone else wants, pursuing status rather than substance. But your real power is in carving your own path, in forging partnerships with founders who burn with a different fire. Ones who don't just want to make money, but want to transform entire industries, challenge systems that reward obedience and punish innovation, who refuse to settle for the mediocre promises of acceptable success. This means moving beyond being a passive backer to becoming a true collaborator, someone who helps entrepreneurs smelt chaos into opportunity, rather than trying to smooth out every rough edge. You must be selective, ruthlessly selective, aligning with real visionaries who demand more from themselves and the world. And it's not just about choosing the right startups. It's about transforming yourself every day, being patient enough to weather storms, yet aggressive enough to act when moments come, being critical enough to question every assumed truth, and yet open enough to see radical new possibility where others see only noise. The system around you is designed to make you want comfort, to corner you into decisions that keep you safe. Comfort is the enemy. It smiles while it chains you. It's the quiet poison that kills your fire faster than any failed startup. You need to fight that every single day, with every fiber of your being. True freedom for an angel investor doesn't mean freedom from risk. It means freedom to embrace risk in a way that destroys the old limits and creates new opportunities for not just profit, but real, lasting impact. It's about becoming sovereign over your own will, your own vision, and refusing to let the world tell you who you have to be or how you have to invest. This is not about fleeting trends or playing the noise game. It's about amplifying what's essential, your unique ability to see beyond the obvious, to stand firm in your beliefs while welcoming challenge, to unite not with the masses but with a select few who burn just as fiercely as you do. That's the code. That's the secret that every great angel investor guards but also lives by. The ability to transcend the rules, to wield your will as your weapon, to become the kind of investor who doesn't just fund startups, but ignites revolutions. And the best part? This path is open to you right now. It's not out there somewhere, hidden behind a veil of privilege or luck or connections. It's in embracing the discomfort you've been avoiding, in unlearning what you think you know, in committing to a transformation that shakes you to your core. It's there in those dark moments of doubt, in the restless drive that never quite lets you rest. If you take this on, you join a rare breed, a movement of individuals who refuse to serve flags or systems, who are done with borrowed lives and are ready to rise above all boundaries. You become part of something far bigger than a single deal or a single startup. You become a force that shatters cages disguised as freedom and builds something new, something wild, free, and alive. So the real question is not what everyone else keeps hiding, but whether you're ready to stop hiding from yourself. Are you ready to burn bright enough to become the exception this world desperately needs? The secret is no secret at all. It is the relentless refusal to give up freedom, to seize it every day, through pain and uncertainty, and relentless fiery will. And that is how you stop being just another angel investor and begin becoming a true liberator. The edge is waiting. The future breaks in those who dare. There is no room here for comfort, no tolerance for waiting. It's time to shed the lie that you have to play the game how it's always been played, and instead rise, reshaped, and unchained. This is your moment, not for safety, not for silence, but for transformation. So lean into the fire, trust the chaos, and watch what you ignite.